Welcome, restaurateurs. In this video, we're going to take you step by step through the process of creating custom schedules and then applying those custom schedules to future dates so that you can control the flow of customers that come into your restaurant from Spinz. So the first thing I want you to do is log into your account and then go to Schedules. And as you can tell, I am logged into the Mike Sandwiches account, and this is Mike's regular schedule with his normal hours. Down here at the bottom, you'll see the option to create a custom schedule. I'm going to go ahead and choose Add. You'll then be presented with a calendar. Now, Mike's Sandwiches is located across the street from a soccer field where once a month they have soccer tournaments. And as those soccer tournaments are taking place, customers come over for a couple of hours very frequently, and they get very, very busy. So I want to limit the number of customers that come in on those Saturdays, which are just once a month. Can't apply it to every Saturday, just once a month. So let's go ahead and choose the next tournament that I know is happening, and that's on the 25th. I get presented with a dialog that allows me to choose and limit the number of customers I get. As you can tell, it goes from 0 to 10. So between about 11 and 11:30 is when the customers tend to start coming over really, really heavy. And, as I said, I just want to take it from the maximum number of Spinz customers down a little bit because I'd hate for a new Spinz customer to come in and their first experience be such a heavy wait time. So I'm going to choose the 11 o'clock hour. And as you can show, it's the 11 to 11:30 half hour period. It says 10. I'm then going to choose to limit it down to about 4 customers. Once I've done that, you can see that it's jumped over the 11:30 hour, and I'm now left with 4 customers between the 11 and 11:30 slot. I'm going to go ahead and choose 4 again. So that makes it that over that period of that hour, between 11 to about noon, I've got 4 customers coming in for every half hour. Now, starting at around noon to about 1:30, that's when the tournaments get really, really busy. That's when I've had customers lined outside the door. I'm going to go ahead and choose to limit the number of Spinz customers I'd get in that interval down to about 2 maximum. And then between 2 and 2:30, it's about as bad as it is between 11 and 11:30. So I'm going to go ahead and choose 4 again. And so what I've created is I've created a custom schedule where I've chosen to limit the number of customers over this span of time. And this will work every Saturday. Since I know this happens once a month, and I know that I know that the tournaments always start at the same time, I'm going to go ahead and choose to create a template to use on later dates. I'm going to check that little box, and I'm going to call this Soccer Tournaments. I'm going to hit save. Now that I've saved my soccer tournament template, I now have it down here in the templates area. If I wanted to come in and edit it, I could by just hitting edit and then changing it. If I needed to delete it, I could delete it as well. So now that I've got custom schedule set up for Saturday, November 25th, I want to go ahead and apply this custom schedule to future Saturdays. I'm going to choose add. I know that the next one will be happening on December 23rd. I'm going to go up here and I could choose a blank schedule, or I could apply the same tournament template. So I'm going to go ahead and choose soccer tournaments. And now you can tell that it has applied the tournament to Saturday, December 23rd. Everything looks right. So I'm going to go ahead and hit save. Now I've got November 25th and December 23rd taken care of. I'm going to go ahead and add it to one more because I know it's happening in January on the 20th. I'm going to choose soccer tournaments again. Everything looks good. I'm going to hit save. And now you can see that I've applied my template to 3 future Saturdays, and that is how you use the custom schedule tool to apply custom schedules to unique dates that you know are coming up. If you have any questions or need more information, make sure to check out the Help Center and watch our tutorial videos where we discuss all of the features that Spinz has in depth.